Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve SkillRack daily challenge. That is, we'll go through a C program that identifies palindromic substrings of length 3 within a given string. The code begins with isPalindrome function takes a string as input and checks if it is a palindrome. It iterates through the string and compares characters from the start and end, gradually moving towards the middle. If any pair of characters does not match, it returns 0 indicating that the string is not a palindrome. If the entire string is traversed without finding a mismatch, it returns 1 indicating that the string is a palindrome. In the main function, it initializes a character array S to store the input string, reads the input string using scanf, determines the length of the input string using strlen and stores it in the variable n, initializes a flag found to check if any palindromic substring of length 3 is found. The main loop iterates through the input string to extract all possible substrings of length 3 using strncpy. It extracts a substring of length 3 starting from index I. Adds a null terminator at the end to create a valid C string. Calls the isPalindrome function to check if the extracted substring is a palindrome. If the substring is a palindrome, it prints the substring and sets the found flag to 1. Finally, if no palindromic substring of length 3 is found, the found flag remains 0, it prints -1. Thank you for watching. Feel free to modify this code to understand how different changes affect the pattern. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.